How to fix Samsung F36 cannot receive MMS messages. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then scroll down and click on messages app. Now here you can see the option storage. Now click on it and then here you can clear the data and cache memory of messages app. After clear data and cache memory, then go back and scroll down and click on general management. Now scroll down and click on reset. Now click on reset network settings. Now again click on reset settings. After reset the network settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.